To replace this, basically you just have to uh, remove this inner panel. You just pull it out, and then it will expose like four 10 mm bolts over here. We're going to replace the this trunk, what they call this, I don't know, this is like a trunk opener portion of my Prius. uh when it was really cold, my son tried to open it. He forced opening it, and it actually broke the this plastic portion of it. Yeah, it's this is one of the bad design with this Prius, because this is not really like really strong. It's plastic, so it broke over here and also over here. So in order to replace it, I got one from the junkyard. So I think the color is almost identical, and luckily the this portion of switch is actually in pretty good shape. Normally this rubber is dry rotten in most Prius. And then I think the camera is over here, and sensor for this one. I might probably just uh, use the existing one. I'm not so sure if it's programmed to the car, but it's better to be safe. Use the original one. And probably the lights, I'm probably gonna use also the existing lights. Okay, so you could just like pry this out really hard. There's no screws on this one. Yep. Yeah, it's only those tabs that support it. This one too. Yep. So I only got this one and this one missing, which is over here and over here. So let me see where those. Yeah. So you got the 10 mm bolts over here. Actually, nuts. Yeah, over here, over here, over here, and I think over here. Yep. So again, I use a deep socket to take that out. So unfortunately, this one broke, but it's fine. Still have more of it. So getting the first one. Yep. And the second one. Oh. And the third one. I think I drop it. And now the last one over here. Oh, we got all four out, and it's time to uh, disconnect. Yeah, this one. You need to disconnect this from here, and probably this one. Probably not this one, but we'll see. Okay, anyway, it's gonna be easier to just take the duct tape out and try to pull this one. Yep. So yeah. So these are the bolts that we loosened. Yep. See, it's gone. this one. Huh, weird. This one is still there, it's stuck. And probably this one too is loose enough. Let me just take out this rubber grommet over here, loosen it out so that we could pull this one out. Yep, this is the bolt that we loosen out on the other side. And this camera, yeah, this one. So yep, the camera stays, so we only disconnect the wiring. Yep, that's the wiring over here. Yeah, just disconnect this one. Okay, disconnect this and then pull the rubber outward. Yep, once you pull that rubber outward, yeah, whole assembly is gone. Yep, so the license plate's light stays. I'm just gonna clean this out and we should be ready to put it back. I'm having issues with my microphone, so for the replacement, this one, I don't really need the lights, so I'm just gonna pull that out. Yep, I don't need that. And then I'm just gonna retain the sensor for this. I think it's okay though. Yeah, it looks like the sensor belongs to this wiring harness. Yeah, I think we should be okay using that one. Okay, I'm gonna install this and should be good. The bolts tighten at the back, and yep, the collar is off. It's kind of crazy, but it's okay. Yeah, it's off, but it's better than a broken one. I don't know, the Toyota actually has two variants of this one. So yeah, this is like kind of a light green compared to a dark green color. And yeah, that one is connected at the back, and the 4 bolts are there. Just need to retighten them again, and then I'm going to put this back. I just super glued that. I have everything installed. It's a little bit off colored, but it's not that bad. So if I click on this one, yep, it opens and it's closed.